Hello guys, we're gonna fish my grill. This is actually my fish guys. Okay, so today's video we're gonna eat at Otep. I don't know if you guys have been in there, but I'm gonna eat at Otep.
Amin boy, hawakan muna natin mga sabatang mo. Ano ako?
Okay. Now, I am gonna eat sinigang at barbecue. It's literally the best combo that you can ever ask. Okay, guys.
Ito lang.
Okay, guys. I'm with my family. That is my dad. Okay. I'm just waiting for them to put sabaw on my plates. I really wanna eat now. Tito, pasabaw.
Wait lang. Ako na ako.
Ha, mukhang kare-kare po. Yan.
Sige lang po.
Please, Tito. Yay.
Huwag kasi yung
How you doing?
bad na, yung durban. Huwag kasing gano'n. Simplihan mo lang naman.
Okay, pa.
Hindi yung masyadong overacting.
Okay. Before we start eating, let's today's prayer for tonight. The name of Father, the name of Father, Amen. Please bless our foods and all. Amen. Okay, now let's go. Kain na. Kain na.
Ito lang bagong. Ha? Anong gusto mo? Kuya, konti yung kamatis niyo, mahal ba? Ano bang gusto mo?
Sinigang at rice.
Una ko ng dito. Okay na lang. Oh? Wala ka na ba? Wala na. Wala naman na.
Dada water po.
Ayun na yung water mo. Kasi get mo yung water ni Kuya. Ayun o.
That is so good. Okay.
Diba?
Kain na.
Mami, bumili ka na ng ano niya. Maghanap ka na ng link ng blender.
Dada mo rice po. Nagpapadagdag pa ako guys kasi gutom po ako.
Mas na?
Eh. Say hello to my family. Wait. My dad is just doing something. This is my dad. Say hello to the channel, guys.
Wait lang. Yan. Sino si Kuya? Ano to? Ano makakanig mo? Sleepy. Sleepy yan. Kuya. Sweet sauce mo nga pa kayong chili garlic. Istorbo mo, nag-tilting nga eh. Dinutusan ko, baka may tinga ma'am. Share yung sweet sauce niyo po, okay. Ganito na, share sweet sauce niyo, girl, no? Bukbugin ko, no? Tupiin ko sa 4 mo kan. Hindi ata chili yung nilagay dito, bell pepper. No? Walang lasa, no? Wala lasa. Promise kahit kainin mo. Ano ito?
iPad solid. My mouth is a vacuum.
Oh,
This is my specialty.
yun.
Get the rice. So good. Ano to niya? Roblox nito mo ano vlogger na mukbang ako.
Sarap talaga. Joke lang, oh. Carrots. Wala mo yung pamo ko yan. Dami lamok.
That is so yummy. I'm just gonna finish this barbecue and we will end the vlog. We'll continue on my gaming channel later. And I'm done eating this barbecue.
Ayun itong laman nito.
My special move.
Meron ko nakuha. Kung di naman nakabot, hindi yun.
It's the spot. I give this place 9.5 out of 10. Okay, bye guys. Be sure to like and subscribe and turn your notification bell on.